And of course, if we want to hang it, we need to put a hanger on the back, and I like to use these sawtooth hangers there. So I've got my hanger and a couple nails ready. First thing we need to do is measure the center. So this wood panel is just under 8 inches. So I'm going to put a mark at the halfway point where there is. My pen doesn't seem to want to work for me, but I think I can see it enough. And then I'm going to put my hanger where I want it to go. And I'll typically use some tweezers or some needle nose pliers to hold my nail in place. I'll hammer the first one in just a little bit, and then I'll hammer the second one in and then put them in completely after that. The camera is going to shake because it's attached to my table and there's no other way to do this, so just bear with me. And now put the other one in just a little bit. It has slid down a little bit while hammering it, but that's okay. Make sure you have a good grip on that nail while you're hammering. These tweezers are, the metal from them is far too flexible, so they tend to not hold things very well. But they were the first thing I could grab, so. There we go, we are ready to hang our piece.